This is how the texture of the multi-millet biscuit looks like, multi-millet cookies. So you get like 7 of these inside this 100-gram box, but each one itself will be really filling. That's why it is we are putting it in 7 number, like 100-gram package. So let me break this and show you how it is. So it's so flaky, it's very soft, but we have not added any baking soda or baking powder. It's just the 4 types of millet and jaggery and ghee. So that itself is giving you a very nice flaky soft cookies. You can look at the feedback that we have got for the cookies also. Everyone says that it's just like melting in my mouth, and it's very healthy and it's very tasty. Order and try yours.